everyone. We have a quiet calendar today, which is great. Nothing really to be too concerned with. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit more bumpy. We've got Powell's speech and inflation data from UK. I just want to talk about the yen and the dollar. It just bounced all around the shop yesterday, and as did pound as well. Pound really moved. It was over here and now it's over here, but the dollar is sort of teetering back and forth. However, the yen is pretty stationary, and I think it's going to be a stop hunt on a lot of cross yen pairs. So I'm going to show you some cross yen pairs, and then I'll make it a nice short video. Let's look at UJ, because everyone's probably looking at that and thinking, what the hell's going on? Where are we? This one. Okay, so we go to UJ, and your SLC is here. It's at 120.60. It was 120.50, so they're moving their stops higher, and potentially it's going to come up to 121. That's going to blow accounts if it does. We knew it was going to come up to 120 when we were down here at 118, because there was a big stop loss cluster, and it's sticking out like a sore thumb. You just look at my prior videos from last week. I said now we're going to get to 120 because the SLC was sticking out, and it's really obvious. So up we come. We are a buy, and there isn't really any indication that they're getting stopped out currently. They're holding on. So we're going to come up and get that SLC and potentially further to 121, 121.5. And the trouble is that people have got a like a hodl mentality, where they're not obeying the risk management, where they assume things are going to come back. But if the majority have got a hodl mentality, price is going to come up to destroy them, because that's just how it is. It's a liquidity probe, and if liquidity keeps getting pushed up, then it's going to come up. So that's how it works. So there's dollar yen, so 121.5 potentially, and that's going to destroy a lot of people. So that's currency trading, that's FX for you. So you've got to be so careful. This is MR1, MR3 even, and we've really overextended. However, it's it's a sentiment-driven market where it's going to destroy, it's going to crush the retail guys, and that's why the sentiment's more powerful than technical. Because you could look at that and think, oh, this is a sell because we're above MR3. We've rallied 230 pips above MR3, which is really quite exceptional. Let's look at AJ and the SLCs for AJ. If it loads, yeah. So the one above 89.30, one below is 88.30. Yen is that would make sense because of the bubble location. We're a strong sell, so this makes sense. Dollar strongest. So we are a buy, and they pretty much sold it here. Oh, this is pretty horrendous, isn't it? So there's AJ. EJ. In fact, I'll just do the yen pairs, makes sense. EJ, there's MR1. Yeah. One above is 132.55. You can see, it's sticking out. One below is 131.11. We are a buy, and they sold it here. And so up we come. CAD yen maybe. We don't normally look at CAD yen. I can't show the SLC, so I won't show you that. Pound yen. Shame we can't do CAD yen. It'd be quite nice to see this SLCs for that. One above is 158.30. One below is 156.34. We are a buy, and they sold it around about here. We want to look at the 50% crossover. That's what you want to do if you're using these tools. Just trade on the 50% crossover there. So 152, we're at 158. That's a 600 pip move if you just looked at that. Alright, so definitely get a copy of the ratios, they're amazing. So that's that. What else? AJ done, EJ done, UJ. Yeah, I guess that could be it. I suppose I can't show you Kiwi yen because I haven't got the stop loss clusters. Maybe look at the pound because we've got the inflation data tomorrow, and then I'll just wrap up the video. And I'm going to be focused on the S&P again until FX calms down. I think we're in a big stop hunt scenario at the moment. 132.11, one below is 131.03. We are a sell, so do note that we're a sell. And monthly pivots up there. There's your S1, there's S2. So really we should be falling because of this. It would be unusual for this to go up because of this. Alright, because they're actually quite that long. And in fact there's a signal sell on multiple brokers. EU, and then that's it. And I'll wrap up. I didn't realise how skewed we were actually on. This is also a sell. And also remember to take note of the COT data as well. They really sold the Euro FX, the non-coms. One above is 110.26, one below is 109.45. So yeah, we should be falling because of that, and the fact that they went long here-ish on that candle. Up here, 109.45. So that's that. So quick video. Have a good day. Maybe I'll just show you the S&P actually, and then I'll wrap up. It's they are going slightly long on against the 21 MVA. If they do that and they continue to go long, this will fall. So hopefully they sell this, and we'll see how we go. This should be running in conjunction with this. So if this falls, this can fall as well. But this could be a liquidity hunt. Remember 121.5. And that is going to absolutely wreck hundreds and hundreds of thousands of retail traders. If not, maybe 1 million retail traders are going to blow their accounts because of this one particular currency pair. So 121.5.